What's going on, guys? Today I'm bringing to you Lux Algo premium indicators. That's right. What you're seeing on the chart right here is Lux Algo's premium indicators on the TradingView charts. You can use this software on any TradingView chart, whether it's free or paid subscription, which is super awesome. Tons of just amazing kits here, tools to be used to help you have more confidence in the market and understanding, is this a good time to buy or sell, or should you hold, etc. So this is really great for swing traders, scalpers, or long-term investors. I'm going to get into a couple things about it so you can see just how great it is. Now, while we're on the topic of fluctuating charts and as well as taking profits at the right time, I want to introduce you guys something a little bit interesting and thrilling happening in the world of crypto. Right now, it's not about trading though. This one's about a tournament that combines the excitement of crypto with the unpredictability of gambling. Sponsor of today's video is CrashGambler.io. We've all seen crypto prices soar and dive, am I right? Well, get ready for a different kind of thrill in Crash Gambler's Crash Clash Tournament. Crypto crash games are based on this exact idea. You see the payouts rising and your only job is to cash out before the game crashes. Just like when you'd want to cash out before the market crashes when trading to squeeze out as much profit as possible. But here's the twist. It's not just about luck. It's about strategy. Just like in crypto trading, timing is everything. And in this tournament, your skills could land you a $550 grand prize and the chance to be the winner of the first Crash Clash tournament. There's no entry fee. There's even a $2 no deposit bonus for each participant. And the size of your bankroll doesn't even matter. But what does matter is your ability to apply the right strategy to catch the highest multiplier of the day. If you're a crypto enthusiast like I am, check out crashgambler.io/tournament and join Crash Gambler's Crash Clash tournament on the 20th of September. Check the video description below for more details and secure your spot in this thrilling event. Now back to our charts and talking about taking those profits. Let's get straight into this real quick. So as you can see here, these are buy and sell signals. These ones with the plus actually are showing stronger buy or sell signals. Plus means that there is more confirmations essentially to give you a little bit of a stronger signal, stronger indication that this may be an optimal time to take some profits. Now, you can utilize these tools alongside other tools that you have. You can also adjust the signals and do the sensitivities and things like that, a little bit more customized. If you go ahead and double click on one of the signals, as you can see over in the side here, there's actually an optimal sensitivity, which is something that we can actually change. So this one's currently set to 12. If we set it to 10, like the recommendation, this will move our signals just a smidge. Let me hit OK, and that will just shift it just a bit. And that's basically depending on the day, the time, all of that, the certain conditions. It just kind of gives you the best information possible in the quickest time frame. And of course, if you have, if you want sensitivities a little bit different, you can obviously adjust this and make it, higher or lower as we showed, and it will just basically cater to your preference as a trader. Now, over here in this dashboard, it does also show the current trend strength percentage, volatility, and as well as squeeze and volume sentiment. So these are some things that you can use. Now with time frames you can use this on basically any time frame, whether it's 1 hour, 1 day, 1 minute, doesn't really matter. It depends on the type of trader you are, of course, and what kind of patterns you're looking for. But we're gonna go ahead and go back over to the other chart here. But I just wanted to show you, and also depending on how much you zoom in on your chart, it'll give you a little bit different details for yourself, so you can kind of look at the different candle colorings a little bit more specifically, things like that. These are some things that you will see that will basically indicate momentum in the market and as well as potential reversal spots, things like that. So this is something that you'll want to utilize along with other forms of data so that you can make the most profits for your trading. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, so please just take everything into consideration before you invest and make sure that you don't invest anything that you're not willing to lose. We also have the oscillator here as well, and this is a great tool that you can use if you're into that type of setup. Now, I will tell you they have the price action concepts built into this, which was really cool. And also, I will show you this too. If I click in on here, you can also change different alerts, okay, that you can customize, and then you'll get alerts based on certain conditions. So if you turn this on, you can click on that, and then you can also select the different parameters here. So any bullish confirmation, we'll turn that on. We'll also turn on a smart trail, and you can have that modified with whatever drop down you'd like. I'm going to leave mine on up, and as well as the any bull indicator. We're going to hit OK, and basically what that's going to do is it's going to modify some things potentially for you depending on your chart setup. Whether you guys are beginner, intermediate, or advanced, LuxAlgo's got something for you. It really has enhanced my personal trading experience. You can try it 30 days risk-free, and you can go ahead and also use it on mobile as well. They have a couple different plans for pricing options, such as $67.99 a month, or you can also do quarterly or yearly, $143.97 paid quarterly, or $489.99 paid annually. And there's also a bit of savings there, 30 to 40% savings. Not to mention, you also can utilize any kind of coupon codes that might be available. So something for you to think about, but you can use it for, stocks, commodities, indices, currencies, all that stuff. And it's really awesome as far as for me personally. It's giving me that extra bit of data that I need in order to make profitable trades. So if you're into profitable trading and as well as joining a really high quality community, very knowledgeable people, you can join their Discord and also get involved there and learn and get some free tools as well in the Discord channel. So I really encourage you guys to check this out. Again, it's a risk-free money back guarantee. These guys really, they've been good support for me when I've used it. If I had questions and stuff like that, they're good about getting back to you with their customer service, which I really value a lot. So just think about it. Again, not financial advice, but if you're any kind of trader at all, whether you're trying to just, catch trends, or you're trying to essentially go for the long haul, or, take short, quick profits and things like that, LuxAlgo's definitely got something for you. It's got a comprehensive toolkit that can be used for any type of trader. Make sure you guys take a look at this. Make sure you guys hit that link in the description so that you can get involved in that crash tournament. Very fun there. And it's, if you're into crypto and you're into risk taking, why not have some more fun and give that a shot too? You know what I mean? Let everything in moderation. Am I right? Also, take some of those profits and have some fun with it. You know what I mean? Also, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can see more videos from me. And if you're wanting to have a comprehensive guide overview, make sure you click on one of the videos at the end of the video there so that you can see the setup for LuxAlgo and what types of recommendations I have for your perfect setup and how to use different features and things of that nature. So make sure you do that, and we'll see you in the next video. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but I would advise you to check out my next video. Be alpha.